Hi, so we're going to find out what the IROC is at 21 with this polynomial. So first we're going to plug in all the numbers and we're going to solve. So 21 plus h, and then put that in parentheses, square it, because we take the x. And then next we're going to plug in 12 We're going to plug in the 21 plus h into the x, which is right next to the 12. And then we're going to minus 35 from that. And then on to the next part of the equation. We're going to bracket this off because there's a second part of the equation and we don't want to get confused on that. So the next part of the equation is the f times 21. Which we're going to use the original polynomial and plug in the 21 to where all the x's are. So first we're going to do 21 squared plus 12 times 21. And then minus 35. 21 times 21 is 441, and then 12 times 21 is 252, and then subtract the 35. And then all together, that brings us to 658. So then we're going to take that and plug it in to where the f21 is, which is the rest of the equation. And then it's all over h. Next, we are gonna do 21 plus h squared, and when you square it, we're gonna get h squared plus 442h, and then plus 441. We're gonna parenthesize that. And then next, we're gonna do 12 times 21 plus h. We're going to distribute the 12, which is going to bring us to 252 plus 12h. And then we have to subtract the 35 and subtract the 658. And that's all over h. And next we're going to start combining like terms. We start off with h squared plus 42h plus 441. Then next we're going to add up and subtract 252 and 658, and then also 35, and we're going to get negative 441. Then we're going to take the 12h and add that, and it's all going to be over h. Then we can see that there's a 441 and a negative 441, and those cancel out. Then we're going to bring down the h squared and add up the 64h, and that's going to be over h. We can take out this h out of h squared plus 64h, and then it is all over h. And then we're going to cancel out the two h's, put in a 0, and then we get 64.